Have you got a ruler?
Yes, I have. I've got a ruler.
Have you got a rubber?
Yes, I have. I've got a rubber.
Have you got a pencil?
Yes, I have. I've got a pencil.
Have you got a pen?
Yes, I have. I've got a pen.
Have you got a notebook?
Yes, I have. I've got a notebook.
Open the door, please.
Come in, Tony. Sit down, please.
Oh,
What is it?
I don't know.
Hello, my name's Gogo.
Oh, Gogo.
Very good. Sit down, please, Gogo. Stand up, please, Gogo. Have you got a pen? Yes, I have. I've got a pen. Have you got a ruler? Yes, I have. Have you got a notebook? Yes, I have. I've got a notebook. Stand up, please, Tony. Have you got a pen?
Yes, I have. Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't got a pen.
Have you got a ruler?
No, I haven't. I haven't got a ruler.
Have you got a notebook?
No, I haven't. I haven't got a notebook.
GB, what's this?
It's a ruler.
That's right. Have you got a ruler, GB?
Yes, I have.
Tappy, what's this?
It's a pencil.
Have you got a pencil, Tappy?
Yes, I have.
Pod, what's this?
It's a rubber.
Have you got a rubber pod?
Yes, I have.
What's this?
It's a notebook.
What's this?
It's a pen.
I've got a pen and a notebook.
Have you got a ruler?
Yes, I have.
Have you got a pencil?
Yes, I have.
Have you got a notebook? Have you got a pen?
Yes, I have.